Hey friends, if you encounter the error we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So we have a script for you. You have to run the script. I'll tell you later what it does. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste the script here and hit enter. Now the script has been shared in the description section of the video, and as for the question on why and what it does, it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs, and then it will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.